my channel. This is Ben Online Maths, and today we'll be looking at this particular question on the board. It is a past jam question, and it says okay, let's dive into the question. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Just press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. And also please do share and like this video. Alright, let's solve this question on the board. We have 1/8 raised to the power of k plus 2 equals to 1. Now we understand that in the first law of indices, 1/8 can still be written as 8 raised to the power minus 1. Alright, let's put this one in bracket k plus 2 equals to. Now we also understand in the third law of indices that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So because this base is 8, let's make this base 8 raised to the power of 0, which is also equals to 1 according to the third law of indices. So this base will cancel this base. We have minus 1 bracket k plus 2 equal to 0. Alright, now let's multiply minus 1 by k plus 2. Minus 1 times k equals minus k. Minus 1 times plus 2 equals minus 2 equals to 0. So we're going to make k the subject formula. So we are going to take this to this side. This is negative becomes positive when it comes here. We have minus k equals to 0 plus 2. So we have minus k equals to 2. Now we're looking for k. So we have to remove the minus here. Let's divide both sides by minus. This is positive. So we have this will cancel. We have k equals to minus 2. Guys, if you find this interesting, please do subscribe to this channel. And also please share this video and like.